Sometimes what you don't see can save your life. And when it comes to emergency response vehicles, the unseen details can mean the difference between survival and statistics. That's why at Leader Emergency Vehicles, we focus on building the safest, most reliable ambulances in the industry. From raw components through the moment of delivery, every Leader ambulance represents an alliance of the most exceptional materials, safety features, manufacturing processes, and technology available today. Our highly experienced craftsmen expertly tailor each Leader ambulance to the unique needs of our customers while maintaining vigilant adherence to the safety and quality standards we have set for ourselves. A bar we've set well above the current federal safety mandates used by many other ambulance makers. Leader's philosophy of incorporating in-house manufacturing expertise with strategic vendor partners successfully blends any customer's needs and budget with unrivaled safety, dependability, and customer service, from providers in major cities and metropolitan areas to rural communities. Now let's talk about what's really inside a Leader emergency vehicle, beyond the things you can see, like our cabinetry assemblies that utilize the latest in CNC technology to achieve the most accurate fit and finish possible, or our electrical systems that are durable, simple, and easy to service so your downtime is minimized. And yes, even beyond our considerable creature comforts that provide a better workplace for the men and women dedicated to long hours of service in our vehicles. It's what's at the core of our Type 3 ambulance body that will give patients and your crew the absolute best odds of survival should an accident happen. Our structurally enhanced modular ambulance bodies feature more than double the federal requirement of structural beam supports in the bulkheads, walls, roof, and floor. Now, static load testing is important, and these reinforced ambulance bodies have withstood side and roof stresses far above current government directives. But let's see what happens when this modular body is subjected to two high-speed, non-braking side impacts by full-size passenger vehicles. It's a potentially deadly scenario faced by ambulance crews and occupants on every single call. In the summer of 2009, an independent test lab, General Testing Laboratories, was commissioned to crash test the ambulance body used by both American Emergency Vehicles and Leader Industries. The tests were performed by SAE member automotive engineers and followed the same guidelines used by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety when they validate the crashworthiness of a vehicle. There are currently no federal standards for crash testing an ambulance. Passenger cars require a side impact of at least 33 miles an hour. In order to more accurately replicate the severity of a side impact collision on an ambulance, speeds in this test were boosted to 42 miles an hour. First, the white four-door sedan slams into the ambulance near the curbside access door. The impact is violent, pushing the ambulance back over 10 feet. The front of the sedan literally disintegrates. Immediately after the crash, you can see that the curbside and ALS doors were easily opened, and amazingly, there was no major structural damage to the ambulance. Watch that again from inside the patient compartment. The occupants, who were all protected in a 6-point harness system, remained securely in their seats. The structurally reinforced ambulance body completely absorbed and withstood the powerful force of the impact. No buckling, no crumpling, no shearing away. The patient compartment interior is virtually undamaged. Here's the second collision on the street side of the same vehicle. Watch as the front end of this gold sedan shatters after ramming into the street side of the ambulance body. The ambulance recoils, but quickly steadies itself as before. Remarkably, the results are similar. The second car is totally destroyed, but there is no major external damage to the ambulance. And once again, the inside of the patient compartment was unharmed and fully intact. Most importantly, the occupants were still secured in their original seating positions. So, what does this mean to you? Safety and quality are our #1 concern. That makes Leader the best at building you the best.